Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you emo haircut with short hairs. Guys, this is the best haircut for every girl with every face shape and hair type. This gives your face a very bold look. Guys, please watch my video till the end. This is very informative video for you all. This haircut is best for every girl. As you guys seen in the picture, this gives you such a pretty look with boldness. Guys, please watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut and hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. Guys, please watch my video till the end. This is very informative video for you all. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my videos, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video on your demands. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I'll continue making more informative videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos, and share them with your family members and friends that they get amazing ideas of new haircuts and trendy haircuts. That's all in this video guys. See you guys in the next video.